You've been stuck at home for ages now and you can't get to the gym. So like many people, you've decided to get yourself a home treadmill, and you've probably come across this one from Mobvoi. Mobvoi are usually known for making these. This is a Wear OS smartwatch and it's the Ticwatch Pro 3. If you want to check out my review on that, I will leave it linked up here and down here. Mobvoi were kind enough to send me this treadmill free of charge for this review, but this video is not sponsored. The treadmill comes in at a very reasonable £400 in the UK and $450 in the US. The Mobvoi home treadmill has a 2.25 horsepower motor, is capable of supporting a maximum weight of 120 kilograms, has both running and walking modes. It folds flat so you can store it under your sofa like I do, or it can be stood upright and stored against a wall. It comes with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, a remote and a phone mount. The running belt is 40 centimeters wide by 1 meter long, and the treadmill comes in two colors, black and silver. If you haven't guessed, mine is the black one. The treadmill is controlled either by using the remote. This is simple, it's just got plus and minus on it, as well as an on and off button, or by using the touch sensitive controls along the control bar. These are in set increments 1 to 12, and there's a plus and minus button on the right hand side so that you can increase and decrease as you wish. The walking mode is activated when the treadmill's in the folded position. This is where the remote comes in. This allows you to turn on the treadmill and get up to a maximum speed of 4 kilometers an hour. The running mode is activated once the control bar is raised. You can only start the treadmill once the safety cord is attached. If you don't, then you're going to get an error message on the display and an audible warning. It just attaches using a magnet. This is also the case when you're using the walking mode. Once you're up and running, the treadmill is nice and stable. The belt is nice and grippy and there's no real bounce to talk of. The motor is reasonably quiet as far as treadmills go, but you're not going to be able to run next to your partner while they're watching telly without disturbing them. The maximum speed of the treadmill is 12 kilometers an hour. So if you're planning on running a sub 445 per K, then you're not going to be doing that on this treadmill. But to be honest with you, based on the size of the belt, I'm not sure I'd feel that comfortable running much faster than that on this anyway. The only display on the treadmill is down on the base of the treadmill next to the Bluetooth speaker. On here, you're going to see the total duration of your workout as well as the current speed. This is also where you will see the error messages flash up, to which you can refer to the manual to see what they mean. The display will alternate between the current speed and the total duration. It gets plenty loud enough to be heard over the motor, but it performs exactly as you'd expect for a single speaker of this size. The sound quality is not great. My advice is stick to the earphones or whatever you normally use to listen to music. The treadmill is easy to set up and easy to fold away, assuming you're not intending on using the side rails. These are attached using bolts, which means if you're intending to store the treadmill between runs, you're going to have to take those on and off every time you want to store it. Personally, I'm happy to do without the side rails, so if you are too, this isn't going to be a problem. Operation of the folding mechanism is done with a single lever. You just pull it out, raise the control bar, and then lock it in place. It's really simple. Incline. There is no incline control on this treadmill, so don't expect to be doing any hill running on this because it's just not possible. If you're ordering one of these in the UK, then you will need an EU to UK adapter plug, or else do what I did and get a replacement kettle lead off of Amazon. The Mobvoi home treadmill is very affordable. It has a low profile and folds away for easy storage. or at least as easy as it is to store a treadmill at home anyway. Whilst it may not have all the bells and whistles of some of the treadmills available on the market, it's going to do for most people to get in an at-home run. If you want to check out the treadmill, you can do so using the link below, where you will get an extra 5% off your purchase. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.